Have you been dealing with this CapCut security issue over and over? You've probably searched for every tutorial and tried all kinds of fixes on your computer. Well, I'm the solution to your problem. Here's the deal. If I fix this issue for you, make sure to hit the subscribe button so I can help you with your next problems too. Let's go. Whenever this notification pops up, you can't tap anything anymore, right? So here's how to fix it. Step 1. Turn off your Wi-Fi. Step 2. Open CapCut again. Make sure you are not signed in to any CapCut account. Step 3. Open one of your older projects. Yes, an older project. Step 4. Go to the top left, find the menu, tap More, and choose Version Update. Final step, turn your Wi-Fi back on and quickly tap the Update button. You need to tap it before CapCut shows the security notification again. For some of you, the notification might not appear anymore, so you can just update normally. If the security notice still pops up, repeat the steps.